Hi, this is Jolie Boucher, and the question I had today was, how can I use Google Calendar to create a plan book? That way I can see my events, I can see my appointments for meetings. How can I integrate everything together into just one location? Well, here we go. The first thing you're going to do is go to your apps menu and select Google Calendar. From here, we're going to create a new calendar. So we're going to go to My Calendar and click on Create a New Calendar. And we're going to type in the name. Let's see, Boucher Plan Book, and a description, Jolie Boucher's plan book. We can set the time zones. We can make this calendar public. We can share this calendar with administrators or coworkers. And then we're going to just go ahead and click Create Calendar. So now you're going to see under My Calendars, you're going to see Boucher Plan Book pop up. Here it is, Boucher Plan Book. So here we go. We're going to add our first event. So let's say at 9 o'clock on Wednesday, you have a math class. Actually, it's at 9:15. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to type in math, and the calendar is Boucher Plan Book, and you're going to click Create. So here on our calendar, we can see that we have math class at 9 o'clock. So we're going to edit that. So we're going to click here, and we're going to choose Edit Event. And we're going to change the time because the class is really at 9:15 and it ends at 10:15. And we're going to enter the location. So we're just going to write Boucher Classroom, and it's going to go in the Boucher Plan Book. And now we're going to put in our objectives. So for me, students will learn how to use Google Sheets to insert data and create a graph using formulas. Okay, and now we can add an attachment. So let's say you have an attachment that has the procedure and all your assessments here. We can just write see attachment. Okay, so you can either write out all your lesson plans or you can just write see attachment and add your lesson plan this way. So I know I have all my lesson plans already saved. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to search by folder, and I'm going to look for the folder that has my information. Okay, and I'm going to click on that folder and select the correct lesson and the correct grade level for me. And there we go. So now I have attached my lesson plan. I can change the color. So maybe I want all my math lessons to be red. Okay, so my math lessons will be red. Now I can add guests. I can allow guests to modify the event if I'm co-teaching. I can invite other people. I can see the guest list. Okay, so we're done with this lesson. So now I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to continue doing so, but you can also repeat an event. So if you want to have math every single day at 9:15, you can go back in and you can edit this event and you can make it repeat. Okay, so if you want this to repeat every day of the week, you can do that and then click Done. So now let's see what it looks like. Here we go. We have our event saved for 9:15 to 10:15 every day. So now on Thursday, I could just click Edit and I could just change the lesson plan and the objective. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Now, this is so great because what you can do is you can add your other appointments and the other exciting events going on in the school. So now you see what a finished plan book might look like. I've color-coded all my subject areas. And now I want to show you how you can go to another calendar and add a special event or a meeting into your plan book. So you're going to find the calendar that has the event. Let's say it's a special education calendar. Okay, let's get rid of my calendar so we can see clearly. And so on Wednesday from 10 to 11, let's say there's a meeting. So if you want to add that to your plan book, you're just going to click on the event and you're going to copy it to your calendar and you're going to select which calendar you'd like that to go to. So I selected my plan book, and you can continue to add guests, you can modify the event, and then you're just going to click Save. So now when you go to your plan book, you see that you have a meeting at 10 o'clock. So that is how you add events to your plan book.